Switching from Verizon to Spectrum Mobile starts with obtaining your Verizon transfer PIN. This PIN is essential for porting your number. Contact Verizon via their app, website, or by calling customer service. You'll need to provide account details like the last four digits of your SSN or billing address for verification. Once you have the PIN, which is typically valid for 30 days, you'll receive the PIN on your Verizon account or app, ready to use for the transfer. Choose a Spectrum mobile plan that suits your needs. Ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Spectrum's network, which primarily uses Verizon's infrastructure. Spectrum offers various plans, including unlimited options. Consider your data needs and budget when selecting a plan. Review Spectrum's pricing options to find the best fit for your usage. Remember to verify device compatibility before switching. With your Verizon transfer PIN and chosen Spectrum plan, you can now initiate the number transfer process. Provide the transfer PIN to Spectrum during sign-up. Spectrum will handle the back-end porting, transferring your number from Verizon's database. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Once the number is ported, activate your Spectrum SIM card, either physical or eSIM, through Spectrum's app or website. Test your phone by making calls and using data to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, remember to cancel your Verizon service manually to avoid duplicate billing, as porting your number does not automatically cancel your Verizon account.